Hi guys, it is Butterfly Lane Design subscription box time. This just arrived this morning. I couldn't wait to get it out of the mailbox, and I am going to get ready to show it all to you. I'm going to record it this way just because I'm currently set up to be recording a bunch of videos in this format. Normally I just face you down so you can see the product and you don't have to look at me, but today you are stuck looking at me. So before I open this, I do want to say, when it comes to Butterfly Lane Designs, I am an ambassador for her. I do have a coupon code. You cannot use the coupon code on the boxes, on the subscription box. They're already deeply discounted, so please do not try to use your code. Jessica will have to cancel your order, and if you cancel your order, you may end up missing out because they may be sold out by the time you reorder. So do order these separately from anything else you're going to order, because these open up on the 1st and then they don't ship out, I believe, the 3rd Monday or the 25th or something like that. So if you order other things with them, your other stuff is going to get held waiting for these to ship out. So I strongly urge you to order these separately. And again, do not use the discount code. She will be canceling orders where the discount code is used. So check out separately. Buy this, and then anything else you're going to order separately using the discount code. So links will be down below. To get access to these boxes on the 1st of the month, you have to be a part of her Facebook group. She won't open them to other groups until a certain amount of time has gone by, and then if they haven't sold out in her group, she will open them up to other Facebook groups that she is a preferred vendor in. So that is the lowdown with the subscription boxes. They are a fantastic value, and she has done a beautiful job curating these. I've loved everything and every single one I've gotten so far. So I'm trying to carefully open this. Okay, so I just cut the tape, and this is what you see initially. So it looks like there's some little goodies in here. There is typically a freebie gift from sometimes another companies, just sometimes something she's ordered. This time it is from Glitter and Pixie Dust. And let's see what she sent to be included. So I will show her card. I feel awful. I cannot remember her name off the top of my head, but she is a moderator in Jessica's group, I believe. And just a pen, always handy. And this is called Glitter and Pixie Dust Cutie Pie. It looks like a mica in a really pretty pink. So that is what we got this time as our little extra goodie. And the box itself. So I always say I'm going to print off what is actually supposed to be included in the subscription boxes, and I never remember to. Just to show you guys what a good value these truly are, but I can't seem to remember to do that. So I'm gonna pull the decals off the top first. We'll get to those in a minute. I'm cheating, I'm sneaking a peek. So this is the first piece of vinyl. This is a half sheet, and this is printed over clear. So This is absolutely beautiful though. Very spring floral. I love the watercolor look of the center of these. This is a full sheet. This one is also clear. I know it's clear because I'm looking at the back and I can see the sticker on it. And there is also her Facebook group on here. And I will try to remember to put that link in the description too. But it is facebook.com groups Butterfly Lane Print Co. And this one is another half sheet with these gorgeous pink butterflies. And the full sheet with pink butterflies. So these are not, this should be an opaque. Again, my hand is not working today. And we're going to mix it up. We've got a rose gold marble. I think I put this rose gold marble into a digital design myself. It's absolutely stunning. So, I love it. And then there's this beautiful pink wood grain. And y'all know I like working with colored wood grains. And this just almost watercolor splotched pink half sheet. And this beautiful floral. And more butterflies. The half sheet is with stripes. And this is super duper cute. I was kind of looking at it to see if there's an upside down or a right side up, but there's really not. And then this is that same sheet without the striped overlay in a full sheet. This is beautiful. I think I know exactly what I'm going to do with this one. And this is almost an embossed looking floral. It almost looks 3D. And just a little pastel stripe, pink and blue. And a pink diagonal stripe. And then a pink and blue geometric, my favorite type of cubes, like the Cubert game boxes. So those are all the vinyls, and then these are the decals. So if you order the decals, you're going to pick from, they're all clear. They're all printed clear, the background. But you can pick them just printed clear, so they're going to be good over a white background. They'll end up looking like this to be visible. If you pick the VC decals, and those are the ones that have a purple dot, and typically everything in the subscription box is going to be a VC. I pretty much only order the VCs at this point. That means versatile clear. And what that means is, in theory, as long as you're not putting your color match over the exact same color, that it will show up over anything. So, I'm trying to get to the butterfly. But you can kind of see how it has that milky white look on the background instead of solid black. That's because it's got a white layer first, then the color layer, which is what makes them so versatile. But you can see how that would show up over the color, whereas just a plain old clear cast won't. So that is what the VC decal is all about. Versatile. And this says live, laugh, love. I will use this, and people still do enjoy this saying, but for me, it's so, I still get requests for it, but I'm kind of over this saying personally, but people love it. And I mean, Jessica does a great job on these boxes of making things to match. Although I'm probably not going to use this with this in the application, that I would really like to use this vinyl. So, unless I pick one of the other vinyls. But this says, be stronger than your excuses. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Dream it, wish it, do it. This one is also gorgeous and is going to go great with this. And see what I mean? How she does a nice job pairing. Oh, and she found or made a decal that goes with this. Yay. It says, let your dreams be your wings. I could read the rest of it backwards, but not that. So these might end up going together because how cute with the geometrics. It says, find yourself and be that on this one. So I do want to hold this up with this vinyl and see if this will match. So I might use this one with this. Be happy, it drives people crazy. And this is another one that's like a perfect match to this. And I love that saying. Here's another one that goes with that vinyl. She's making it hard on me. So many of these go with that vinyl. Always believe in the impossible. Antisocial butterfly, one of my favorites. I'm always good for a antisocial butterfly decal. And always good for a be kind. Love making those. And this one simply says loved. So those were all of the decals. I mean, there's 10 of them this week, or this month. That's a lot. And a ton of vinyl. So I'm going to have to sort this out, look at them all, decide what I want to put with what. Because I always go through this. I absolutely love this whole set. I am super excited. Oh, and you'll notice the print size on these is different. Since I have these back in my hand. She does offer in a lot of her vinyls, if the image will tile correctly, she'll offer a small, medium, and large print size. So, and I can't tell you because I did not print these. And I don't know if that's what these stand for or not. I don't know if this is the medium and this is the small or not. Jessica, you'll probably watch this, so you can let me know in the comments or whatever, but yeah. So do be aware that you might have options on some of these for print size. So that is everything in this month's subscription box. The new one may already be opened up by the time I'm airing this. I'm not sure. But yeah, absolutely beautiful selection this month. Really love the color palette. So fresh and springy and much, much needed. Closing out February, going into March is, you know, let's think spring. So that's everything. Check it out. All the links will be in the description. Remember, no discount code on a subscription box. And other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.